Recently, a new type of fruit mold shaping video has been going viral across social media. Ordinary fruits grow inside transparent molds and eventually take the shape of animals, insects, and even famous buildings. This type of content is not only visually fascinating, but also generates massive view counts. Many videos easily reach millions of views, and the revenue potential is very impressive. More importantly, the creation process is far simpler than you might think. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create these viral videos using AI from scratch. The entire workflow requires only ChatGPT and Seedance 2. Before discovering this method, I watched many other tutorials. Most of them required generating multiple images first, which made the process complicated. And the final video quality was not very good. After extensive testing, I successfully developed a much simpler workflow. Now, with just a few prompts, you can generate a full video that is ready to post immediately. First, let me show you the video I created. Are you excited? All right, let's get started. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. Copy and paste the first prompt instruction that I prepared. Wait for ChatGPT to create the character setup. Then copy and send the second prompt instruction. Once ChatGPT understands the template, you only need to provide 3 things: the character, the fruit type, and the mold shape. For this demonstration, I entered woman, mango, elephant. ChatGPT will automatically generate a custom prompt, optimized specifically for Seedance 2. I have tested many video models, and only Seedance 2 produces truly satisfying results. The output from Veo was significantly worse. Next, copy the generated prompt and paste it into any website that provides access to Seedance 2. For this tutorial, I am using the Canadian version of Dreamina because the pricing is very affordable. If you have access, you can also use the Chinese version of Dreamina or any all-in-one AI platform. That includes the Seedance 2 model. Step 2. Open the Seedance 2 platform. Paste the prompt generated by ChatGPT. Select Video Generation Mode. Use the following settings. Model, Seedance 2. Aspect ratio, 9:16. Duration, 15 seconds. Then click Generate. Now, let's take a look at the result. Isn't that amazing? The best part is, you do not need any video editing at all. Simply download the video and post it directly. I also use this same method to create many other combinations. Watermelon turtle, strawberry butterfly, banana Eiffel Tower, every new combination has the potential to become the next viral hit. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. I will continue sharing more AI video creation techniques, trending content ideas, and automation workflows. See you in the next video.